A successful trading mindset is never about trying to predict the unpredictable future. Rather, it is about fully mastering the present moment with complete awareness. It is not about constantly being right in your market predictions. It is about having the mental strength to manage your risk correctly when you are ultimately wrong. Forget the misleading hot tips and the alluring get-rich-quick schemes that promise effortless and instant wealth. These are nothing more than psychological traps specifically designed for the impulsive, the uninformed, and the unprepared individual. True and lasting market consistency is never a random accident. It is always the direct byproduct of a structured, boring, and highly repeatable daily process. Think of the core philosophy simply this way: strict discipline plus rigorous risk control equals true consistency. Discipline is the essential mental fortitude required to stick rigidly to your established trading plan when the volatile market is screaming at you to do otherwise. It is the core ability to execute your exact strategy, take your profits systematically, and cut your losses without hesitation or emotional attachment. Risk control is the absolute mathematical foundation of your survival as a trader in any market condition. It requires strict adherence to precise position sizing, reliable stop losses, and a firm rule never to risk more than a small, predetermined percentage of your total trading capital on any single trade. Without discipline, your risk control plan will inevitably be abandoned in the heat of the emotional moment. Without risk control, your blind discipline will only serve to accelerate your financial losses. The financial market functions much like a casino where the house always wins, unless you change your approach and act as the disciplined house yourself. Be the calm, risk-averse house rather than the emotional gambler hoping for a miracle. Embrace the rigorous daily process, and the profits will naturally take care of themselves over time. Consistency is never a final destination you reach. It is a continuous daily habit that requires constant maintenance. Always plan your trade carefully, trade your specific plan faithfully, and protect your hard-earned capital above all else in every single market session. Furthermore, maintaining an objective emotional state during severe market drawdowns ensures that you do not fall victim to destructive revenge trading patterns or psychological fatigue. Long-term professional success belongs exclusively to those dedicated market participants who view trading as a serious business rather than an entertaining game of chance. By maintaining complete emotional detachment, journaling your mistakes accurately every single evening, reviewing your performance records consistently, avoiding low-volume stocks prone to slippage, ignoring unverified social media rumors completely, and respecting your defined risk parameters without exception, you build an unbreakable foundation for sustainable growth and long-term financial profitability in the ever-changing global markets.